done.
They dump it before it burns.
That's why I shut the kettle off. There's some burnt stuff in there, but
What do we have? Paulie Africano, he drunk in this Arlington? That was a while ago. Well, if he's a mean drunk, his wife leaving would give him a...
I took the video the wrong way.
That was a laugh. There was some on the boots.